All right, guys, welcome back to another video with Carl's Garage. And this quick video, I'm gonna make this video very quick because I'm getting a lot of people that are signing up for the Kia Hyundai Recall Agent. You guys are coming in real quick. Some people get it. Some people know exactly like how to sign in, but some people are also having trouble with doing that. So I'm gonna show you guys the super simple way. This helps me keep out scammers because I'm getting so many emails of people wanting to try to sell from me and help out and do all this other stuff. A bunch of scammers are trying to scam. So this right here this is exactly how to sign in. It's super easy and it protects me and it protects you and it protects the software from scammers. So super easy. As soon as you purchase, you're gonna receive an automatic email. Everything is automated. AI is 2026, headed into 2027. Yeah, we're about 7 months away from 2027. So everything is automated. Everything is, all digital. All the books are digital. So if you purchase the software, if you purchase the Kia Hyundai Recall Agent, you're going to get both books for free, the handbook, the script book, and you're also what I've been doing, I've been giving away the $99 value, the Kia Hyundai Flip Guide. I've been giving this away for free, just as a perk, right? So if you get this right here, you will get that book for free. And again, if you get this book right here, then you're gonna get access to these books and you're gonna get access to this for free. So it's kind of like flip or flop. Yeah, so I give you everything for free. Obviously it's a better deal if you get this, but some people actually want to support the channel and they have been buying the flip program and stuff like that. So I appreciate to those people that have been doing that. So you're gonna get an automatic email and the email is gonna come with the links to those books. Remember guys, everything is digital. I've gotten like 5 people say, yeah, when did you ship out the books? I'm like, I've never in a million years ever in one video ever said that you're going to get physical copies ever. It's never been said. So I don't know why people think that or assume that. Also, you have to look for your spam. You have to look in your spam folder. People are telling me, oh, I didn't get it. I didn't get the books. I didn't get the books. Well, if it's not in your inbox, then check your spam folder, right? Because it's your first time purchasing from Kia Hyundai Recall Agent, it could definitely go to spam. It could definitely go to your spam folder. That is not uncommon. Most people, it just goes right to their folder, especially from Shopify, because the first email you're gonna get is from Shopify. Boom, it's gonna go right to your email. Automatic, that's sent to you. Boom, once that's sent to you, because Shopify is very strict on verifying process and payment and stuff like that. So Shopify is going to verify your payment. Boom, it's going to go through. It's going to notify me. Then you're going to be sent an email with whatever you purchase. So even if you purchase just a handbook, it's going to send you an email. There's an automated response for everything that you do now. So once you buy the book or whatever, then I personally, this is what I do on my end personally. This is again to keep scammers down, because I've gotten so many different scammers. Oh, I bought the book and this and that. No, you didn't. So I personally activate you in the back end of here. Now on your end, because I'm getting a lot of people with like super old emails like AOL, which doesn't even exist. That's not a thing anymore. And like random emails and stuff like that. That's like scammer. I'm not saying that you're a specific scammer. I'm just saying that that's like scammer behavior in today's world. That's the reason why whenever you come over here to log in and I'm running everything through, Manus, everything. I pay a lot. I'm running everything through Manus because it's one, now that Meta owns it, it makes it super easy to market and get reach and exposure and protection. That's the number one thing. Like this thing, you're able to host a lot. Now, it's better than any other it's better than any other AI software out there. You're not able to do the same things with those that you can with Manus. So that's the reason why. And as you can see right here, this is the Cloudflare and everything. This is to protect me. So if you can't log in with your Facebook, your Google, your Microsoft account, or your Apple, then even if you put in your email, I don't make your password. I don't make your password. You're logged in on the back end of the website. But when you log in, if you have a Gmail, you click here, it's gonna verify you have an actual Gmail account, and then it's gonna let you into the software. Then it's gonna let you in. Or if you have a Facebook account and you do it and you match it, then it's gonna send you through a process that I don't have to do. Because if you just come in here or you just create an email, then you would just be able to do that on your own. You see what I'm saying? You would just be able to just go ahead and do that on your own. So that's why this is set up like this. In order to access my generator, you have to verify that you are a real person. So there's no reason to come, once I tell you, hey, you're now I have just granted you access. There's no coming in here to create a password because the password is going to be something only that you know. I don't have any passwords on my end under any circumstances. It's going to be whatever you signed up with Microsoft email or Apple or Google or Facebook, whatever password is that you created, that's between you and them. That has nothing to do with this. This doesn't, you see what I'm saying? So it's not like I have other softwares where I do have a domain, where I do have like a dashboard and people can create accounts and stuff like that. But even there, I don't see any like access or anything. I can't see any of those passwords. So that's how you do it. Because I had a guy, I forgot his name, but I want to say it's David or somebody. They signed up, they had an AOL email, they received my email of the introduction, hey, welcome. And then they tried to come in here and log in and they couldn't. And I'm like, yeah, because AOL is it's just not a modern email. You notice Yahoo's not even on here. It's just not, here, I'll make myself smaller. It's just not a modern email. So, he had to go and create a Gmail, which lets me know, okay, you're a serious person. You're a real person, because I don't know. I don't know who's real. I don't know who's not. I don't know who's trying to, there's just a lot going on in this world of people trying to get information and stuff like that. So this is the best way. Trust me, Kia and Hyundai did not want me to do this. They don't want me on here. So whatever way that they could take me out, they're going to try to take me out. So this is why it is like this. So if you want to log in and you have a Gmail account, this is what I use Google. I don't sign into anything with Facebook. But if you want to sign in with your Facebook, just click this and sign in with your Facebook. Click this and sign in with your Gmail. Click this and sign in with your Microsoft Mail. Click this and sign in with your Apple. If you try to come in here and type in your email address and then try to type in a password, it's not going to let you in because I never created a password for you. These are the 4 steps to log in. Sorry about that. I just had a call from my daughter's doctor anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. That's how you sign in. You just come over here. I actually had somebody tell me too that they signed in and they didn't see a login in the top right corner. Well, if you don't see a login in the top right corner, you're probably already logged in, because if you don't see a login in the top right corner, it's gonna look like this. This is whenever I'm logged in. I can come in here, I can go to my admin dashboard. I'm not gonna do that because it's gonna show a lot of people's personal information, but this is where I activate people. You're gonna see all types of the tools. Where's the tools? The tools, and you come in here, KSDS checker, you can do everything, right? This is the website. So if you don't see login, let me get out of here, I'll put this back. If you don't see login, then you're logged in and I gave you access. Outside of that, you're not gonna have access. So come in here, click this, log in using something that's already verified by you, verified by one of these 4 major companies, and then you will have access to it. Maybe in the future, I'll try to make like a dashboard like what I have with my other domains, with my other softwares that I'm writing, or that I've already written and that are public. But as of right now, it's not gonna happen because there's just too many people trying to scam to get access to Kia Hyundai Recall Agent. Not Carl's Garage, because there's no login process with it, you just buy the stuff. But in order to get access to the agent, people are trying their asses off. So Manus, if you guys don't have Manus, I'll put a link in the description down below to it. It is expensive. It's definitely the most expensive AI agent out there, but they have great software and like protections. If you want to build something and then protect yourself with Manus, you can definitely do it. So I recommend it. All right, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Stay tuned for the next one.